Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Now today I'm actually showing you all proof and evidence that with our dispute letters you can get even student loans removed from your credit report. So right here, this is one of our clients' credit reports. As you can see, U.S. Department of Education. You can see that it says right here it has been deleted from the credit file. You can see another one right here. It says that it has been deleted from the credit file. And if you look right here, this one has a different account number than this one. This one shows that the student loans have been deleted from the credit file, and this right here is just the first round. As you can see, it says that this right here has been verified, but that doesn't mean that that the account is going to stay there, because as I have shown you all, it's going to be several rounds that you will actually send to get all of your derogatory items deleted from your credit report. So it's not a problem. But as you can see, these items have been deleted, and it's very clear. You can look at the debt right here: $3,750, $4,724 education loan, $1,334. So basically, these accounts have been deleted from her credit report. And as you can tell from right here, this is March 7th of 2018. So this is a very, very new account, or very, very new dispute. So I'm showing you all something that's fresh. You can do it too. All you have to do is get your dispute letters. You can get them from www.credithealing.org, or if you want me to do it for you, contact me at credithealing@gmail.com, and I can get these things removed for you, so I can help you boost your credit so you can be able to obtain the things you want in life. All right, family, you have a blessed day, and get those derogatory items removed. Peace.